Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can change your address or location in booking.com. Okay, so first thing that you should do is you have to log into your booking.com extranet so that you can change your property location or address. Okay, and then once you're here, just have to log in and then go to the group homepage. Okay, and then just select your property. So for example, this one, so just tap on the continuing registration. Okay, and then it will take you back to the very first step. So right here, just simply tap on continue. Okay, and then here you have your address settings or details. So all you have to do here is to type your location again or select here your location. Okay, and then after that, you just have to tap on the continue. That's right. And then you just have to finish your details here on your booking property. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.